In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to search for any specific word within an entire website using the Forensic Spider. To install Forensic Spider, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To get started, enter the URL of the website where you would like to search for a specific word. This software allows you to search for any specific keyword within an entire website in seconds. Enter the keywords in the keyword column, separating each with a semicolon. You can also apply a case-sensitive filter to the search. Click the Settings button to apply filters to the search results. Go back to the Crawler tab and click the Crawl button. The crawling process will begin shortly. Once the process is complete, a notification will be displayed on the screen. Click OK. Users have the option to save or export the crawl data. To proceed with exporting, users are required to purchase a license for the software. The crawl data includes columns for the search hits. Search hits refer to the number of times a specific search term or query matches content across the website. If a search term appears on multiple pages, each instance counts as a hit. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.